Hello and welcome to this video on the rewrite function of Copilot4DevOps version 5. The rewrite function will allow you to refine and enhance your prompts to ensure better results. Here in Dynamic Prompt, we've entered a simple request. We want to know if there are any overlapping or conflicting user stories. By clicking Rewrite Prompt, the system will now improve this prompt with the click of a button. Rewrite Prompt has made this prompt more effective. It has increased its level of clarity, and it's added additional context to ensure that the results generated are of the highest quality. It's important to remember that when working with AI, gold in equals gold out. In order to ensure you have the best possible results, it's important to have a solid prompt from the beginning, and Rewrite Prompt can help you do that. Rewrite is available in every function of Copilot for DevOps. You'll find it anywhere that you are able to enter custom instructions. For instance, here in the Elicit function, I opened up custom instructions, and the prompt entered is to please show user stories related to AI. After selecting Rewrite Prompt, you can see that this new prompt is significantly more clear, more comprehensive, and will likely produce better responses. Rewrite is available in every function of Copilot for DevOps. Anywhere that you are able to enter your own custom prompt or instructions, you can also reassign that prompt. Ultimately, Rewrite is designed to help you get better results by improving your prompt. Thank you for watching.